Hello, little friends. Hello. Today we'll learn how to greet everyone. Can we say it together? Yes? Let's learn one step at a time. Hello, hello. Wave your hand. Hello, hello. Come and stand. Smile so bright, nice and slow. Let's learn greetings. Here we go. When the sun wakes up, we say, good morning. Good morning. Can you say, good morning? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning. Good morning. I'm happy to see you. How are you? Now ask your friend, how are you? How are you? If you feel happy, you can say, I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. And then say, how about you? How about you? How are you? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How about you? I'm fine too. Hip hooray! Hello, hello. Wave your hand. Hello, hello. Come and stand. Smile so bright, nice and slow. Let's learn greetings. Here we go. How was your night? In the morning we can ask, how was your night? How was your night? If you slept well, you can say, I slept well. I slept well. Or, it was good. It was good. How was your night? Very good. How was your night? Very good. Sleep, sleep, dream so bright. Now it's time to say good morning. When the sun is high, we say good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hope you're having lots of fun. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Let's play together, everyone. How is your day? Ask your friend, how is your day? How is your day? Say, my day is good. My day is good. Or, I'm having fun. I'm having fun. How is your day? It's so good. How is your day? It's so good. Play and laugh, jump and run. Learning greetings is so fun. Hello, hello. Wave your hand. Hello, hello. Come and stand. Smile so bright, nice and slow. Let's learn greetings. Here we go. When the sun goes down, we say, good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Nice to see you once again. Good evening. Good evening. Let's all smile, my little friends. How was your day? Now ask, how was your day? You can say, it was great. Or, I had fun. I had fun. How was your day? It was great. How was your day? It was great. Lots of smiles, lots of play. What a happy, happy day. When it's bedtime, we say, good night. Good night. Good night. Sleep so tight. Good night. See you in the morning light. Sweet dreams, close your eyes. Moon and stars up in the sky. Let's remember together. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How about you? I'm fine too. How was your night? Very good. How was your day? It's so good. How was your day? It was was great. Hello, hello, wave your hand. Hello, hello, come and stand. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. See you soon. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Learning greetings is fun to do. Good night, sleep so tight. Sweet dreams all through the night. Hello friends, hip hooray! We'll greet each other every